We need to assemble a timber loader. Keep up the good work. And now we need to fuel the timber loader. Look at the color of the tank cap and choose the refueling gun of the same color. Pump. Amazing! This railroad hasn't been used for a long time. Let's clear it of fallen trees. Tap the screen to keep building. We need to send the train to the depot. Let's change the position of a driver's controller to start going. Look at the figure on the screen and choose the door of the right shape. Tap on the arrow on the control panel to head for the right door. Let's assemble the dray scene. Done! Let's load the empty bags onto the dray scene. Let's load the necessary items into the machine. Try it on your own. We did it! Let's remove the remaining branches from the tracks. We need to wash the dray scene. Let's start foaming the machine. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Keep it up. Let's assemble the minecart. Hooray! Now let's load the materials into the minecart. Keep it up. We need to repair the rails. When we fix them, they'll be available for moving. Let's wash the minecart. We did it! Let's assemble a garbage car. Ready. Let's attach recycling stickers to the garbage car. We did it! The railroad brought us to an abandoned magic station. Let's clear the building. Let's weld a crack on the garbage car. Ready. Let's grind the welding seam. Let's drag the sander to the seam to make the... Don't stop! To paint the stain, look at the cloud and install the spray gun cup of the same color. Don't stop! Let's assemble the flat car. You're doing really great. Now let's load materials for repairment onto the flat car. Keep up the good work. Let's repair the railroad station. We need to wash the flat car.